The real AI war isn't about building smarter chatbots. It's about controlling the chips and compute required to build them at all. Restricting access to advanced AI infrastructure can delay a nation's technological progress by years. That delay can quietly shift the balance of global power. The truth is far more strategic, powerful, and invisible. While the world focuses on Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI as if they are freely competing, the foundation of artificial intelligence is not apps, not chatbots. It is compute GPU, semiconductor fabs, cloud networks, hyperscale data centers, supply chains, and billions of dollars flowing into infrastructure that the public rarely sees. In 2025, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta collectively invested over $320 billion into AI infrastructure. This includes cloud expansion, custom silicon, advanced GPUs, and research labs. By 2026, global AI investments are projected to reach $700 billion annually. This surpasses the GDP of nations like Sweden or Poland. NVIDIA has become the backbone of AI compute. Its H100 GPUs power nearly every large language model and neural network in operation today. TSMC and Samsung dominate advanced semiconductor manufacturing. They produce the chips that allow AI models to scale beyond comprehension. ICE-ML's lithography machines are critical. Each worth over $200 million, they are the only machines capable of producing sub-5 nanometer chips. Massive as buses using plasma hotter than the sun, built from over 100,000 components. Without them, the AI revolution would stall. This creates a critical supply chain concentrated in a handful of companies and locations. A single disruption in Taiwan, South Korea, or the Netherlands could halt global AI development. Governments know this, which is why the United States pressured the Netherlands to restrict chip exports to China to maintain strategic advantage. AI is no longer just technology. It is a geopolitical weapon embedded in autonomous systems that manage logistics networks, energy grids, and trading platforms. It also powers military simulations and recommendation engines, influencing billions of people's attention every second. Even minor adjustments in this hidden infrastructure can ripple across global economies, yet most people remain oblivious. Investors pour capital into AI startups thinking they compete freely, but in reality, every company relies on the same backbone. The largest models, the deepest neural networks, the predictive engines controlling financial markets, national logistics, and infrastructure all depend on this hidden network. China produces a majority share of AI patents and is rapidly scaling its technical workforce, yet even they face bottlenecks in chip production and advanced compute. The illusion of competition hides the structural dominance of those who control the infrastructure, because the AI arms race is not about coding the best chatbot or app. It is about commanding servers, GPU, chips, pipelines, cloud networks, and global supply chains. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, Amazon, and NVIDIA, raised over $110 billion in one of the largest funding rounds in history. This proves how the top infrastructure players align to shape the future of AI. Corporations compete for dominance, governments pursue strategic leverage, investors chase exponential returns, yet the public believes the visible companies lead the race, when in reality power is hidden. It's distributed across corporations, cloud providers, semiconductor manufacturers, research institutions, and governments. This invisible network is the weapon deciding who controls artificial intelligence, shaping economies, influencing geopolitics, and automating decisions at planetary scale. It dictates the pace of innovation long before headlines report it. Every AI breakthrough depends on this hidden backbone. Trillions of computations, billions of parameters, chips only a few companies can produce, infrastructure more powerful than any app, more influential than any code. It determines who leads technology and global strategy for decades. The revolution is no longer hypothetical, it is happening now. Silently expanding across continents, alliances, and infrastructure, and the quiet shift of power may already be deciding the fate of civilization. The global AI system operates like an invisible empire connecting cloud providers in North America, semiconductor fabs in East Asia, research labs in Europe, and investors across Silicon Valley, Tokyo, and Singapore. Its tentacles reaching into autonomous military simulations, predictive markets, global supply chains, and national defense planning. The bottleneck is simple. Whoever controls the compute, the chips, and the pipelines controls AI itself. Small disruptions in Taiwan, South Korea, or the Netherlands ripple through global systems, yet the public perceives AI as a friendly assistant or research novelty. The narrative obscures the truth. Every AI breakthrough is made possible by this invisible backbone. Trillions of calculations processed every second, networks of data running silently across continents, GPUs working at unimaginable speed, pipelines feeding petabytes of information, and yet this system remains almost completely unseen. The most powerful companies, governments, and even individuals are dependent on it. The AI race is not a free-for-all. It is predetermined by infrastructure control. The AI revolution is not just technological, it is strategic, economic, and geopolitical. The companies you see in the news are only the tip of the iceberg. Their products are endpoints of a vast hidden network. The consequence is stark. Whoever controls this invisible infrastructure controls the future. AI is no longer a tool. It is a weapon shaping society, global markets, technology, and governance. In ways almost no one understands, the revolution is already here, expanding silently, invisibly, relentlessly, and the silent shift of power may already have decided the trajectory of the 21st century. If you want to understand the systems shaping the world before they shape you, you need to look beyond the headlines, beyond the apps, beyond the AI everyone talks about. Because the most powerful weapon of the 21st century is invisible, unstoppable, and already in control. And those who understand it first will have the ultimate advantage over technology, power, and society itself. Subscribe to the Power Chronicles, where we uncover the hidden systems and silent power shaping the future.